Hey guys, welcome to the next video of C programming language tutorial for beginners. In the last video we have seen how to use each digit function in a C programming. So each digit function is basically used to get whether past a character is digit or not. So similarly there is one another function that we can use to get whether past a character is alphabet or not. So let's see how to use this function. So the function name that we are going to use is ISALPHA. So let's see how to use this ISALPHA function in a C programming. So this is how we have to use this ISALPHA function. So here we have to write ISALPHA in, and inside the brackets we have to pass the character that we want to change or that we want to check. So this ISALPHA function will return a value 0 if the past character is not alphabet, and if the past character is an alphabet, then this function will return a non-zero value like this. So let's see how to use this ISALPHA function in a C programming. So here we have to declare one character, so just use char, and here we have to give a name. So here I am giving name str, and here I am assigning value a like this. Now here we have to check that whether this str or whether this character is alphabet or not. So in this case we can use if else statement. So just use if, and inside the brackets we have to call this ISALPHA function. Now here inside the brackets we have to pass the character. So in our case the character is str like this. And if this ISALPHA function returns value 0, then this means that this is not alphabet. Like this. Now here we have checked the condition, like if this function will return value 0, then this means this is not alphabet, that we have printed one message, this is not alphabet. Now here we have to give else part here, so just write else, and inside the else block we have to give one message like this is alphabet, like this. Now our code is ready, so let's build and run the code to see the output. So as you can see here, the output is this is alphabet. So this is why, because here we have given value of str is equals to a. So str is equals to a. Here is the value of str. So a is an alphabet. So this condition will becomes false. So that's why it will execute whatever we have written in this else part. So here we have given a message like this is alphabet. So let's change the value of this str, make it 9 here, and again build and run the code to see the output. So as you can see here, the output is this is not alphabet. So this is why, because we have given value str is equals to 9. So this condition will becomes true. So this is why, because ISALPHA function will return value 0 when the past character is not alphabet. So this condition will becomes true. So whatever we have written in this if block will get executed. So here we have given a message like this is not alphabet. So here we have to remember one thing, that to use this ISALPHA function we need to include this ctype.h header file, because all these character related functions are defined and declared in this ctype.h header file. So remember that, because before using this ISALPHA function we need to include this header file. So in this video we'll learn how to use ISALPHA function in a C programming. So ISALPHA function is basically used to check that whether past character is alphabet or not. So this function will going to return a 0 when the past character is not alphabet, or it will return a non-zero value when past character is a alphabet. So this is very similar to isDigit function. So in this video we'll learn how to use ISALPHA function in the C programming, and in the next video we will see the next part.